I don't know if you guys can hear me. This thing was plugged out for some reason. In the background, or should I close it? Hey. Where's my chat window? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna just start up now. I'm doing it from scratch, by the way. So I'm gonna probably be in Blender a little bit. Or should I just start the game instead? I'm not sure. Alright, let me get rid of this thing here. Alright, I'm here. Yeah, I'm thinking, what should I start with? Let's open up Blender. Let's open up. Wait. So I was making this plugin. I could show you, but I'm gonna show you. Like to place objects. It's kind of like
Nice.
What the? Hey, thanks for the sub, Rainier. I don't get the name right. So yeah, this plugin's like placing stuff around the level. So I could click add game objects. So the way it works, you grab a whole folder of objects and you just add it here. So it opens a folder and adds all the things in the folder. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now I got used to it. So I have this active thing here just because every time I press a button now it's gonna try to add something. So there you go. But I wanted to not avoid using arrays to place them on touching stuff. You know what I mean? Like, did I have the static body here? I could have placed it where it touched. But I was trying to avoid that and just use a scroll wheel, but the scroll wheel is doing this as well, so it's kind of annoying. So I have to actually probably implement that, but I didn't do it yet, so pretty early. And then I could click on one of these and hit remove, and it removes it from here. Then refresh it, but the refresh bugs it out, so I'm not sure yet. So let me disable it. So I call it axis organizer. It's kind of like Scatter. I downloaded Scatter, so I was reverse engineering it to figure. It's not the same code though. I'm gonna show you. Pretty different. I even made buttons for it as well. I mean custom nodes, but I didn't end up using them. Step axis. I have a 2D version and a 3D version. So I was gonna use nodes, but I realized I don't need to use nodes for what I want to do with it. I just want to place stuff on any node that I'm clicking on. So if I'm on this box here, I could add these back here. And now I'm placed in. Yeah, it's bugged out. Alright, I'm gonna just come off. We get to the game that I'm making. Alright, so what am I gonna call it? The spread. I already came up with a name anyways. Put it in my D drive. Is that? Yeah. Yeah, it's you could use a scatter plugin. The thing with the scatter plugin is, imagine you have like a couple dozen different assets, like maybe some blocks, some, I don't know, like a gate, some walls, and all types of stuff. You have to actually, the way it is now, you have to actually go in the thing, start up the plug, and then you have to click on each one of those to add them. So what I wanted to change is just you go in the folder, and it just grabs every scene from the folder and just loads everything up one time, and you can just, use you just click once and you have everything in the list. You see it, you just click there. And it could have all the scripts on it for whatever it does and all of that. So it's pretty cool. So that's the idea anyways. So still working on it. Yeah, where am I putting this? Let me see. Let's go up a bit. Godot projects. Axis organizer. Alright, so go here, current folder. Get that folder. Start. Oh, I didn't show you the this GitHub thingy. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna create a new one to use it. This is all the stuff of it. You remember remember Polar 4? That's the gem I did for, I think the gem you made. I don't remember if it was one you made. And this is a survival game I was starting up, but I didn't finish. Now let's create a new repository. New. Call it the spread. I don't know, game jam game. I don't know what to call it. Yeah. Man. Yep. I have projects all over the place. I have some on my Google Drive too, but it's still in the D drive, so I guess it's the same. So I stopped using the Google Drive folder because it's filling up too. It's like, I think I get 15 gigs for free. I'm at like 14 something right now. But it's mostly filled with unfinished stuff. And what do you call it? Firmware from my phone. I do change up my phone sometimes. Puzzle games? I don't know. Game jam game. Wait, is this real time? Hey Marco, what's up, man? Where is it? Choose folder. Where did I put it? D, go to projects, the spread. Oops. Click that by mistake. Come on. Initializer for the readme? Sure, why not? Git, ignore. Did I make it MIT? Nah. Great. History. No history yet. Alright. So the idea is you're gonna be What's up, man? Alright, let me see. I'm gonna put up my phone and you tell me when I put it up. Alright, ready? Just count from when I put up my phone, and then I guess you just press one button. Maybe press the, I don't know, just add K or something. So alright, there. Put up my phone. I wanna see how long the delay is. So I'm counting. Pro 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't even know what I'm doing. 21, 22, 23. Alright, let me get to the game. I'm crazy. Being crazy. Alright, so another thing I have to do is I have to open another project. Because I don't remember how to where is it? Mortal Fusion. I think I do it here. I don't remember how to get the camera's position. Not the camera position, I don't remember how to set up the ray casting. I mean, I know, but I keep forgetting. Oh no. You're not supposed to see that? That's my debugging stuff for the levels that I'm making. So these are all levels. I'm trying to remember where I do it. The screens, I think. No, on the player. Objects. Where? Pull this over a bit. It's somewhere here. Just copy and paste it. Here it is. Get raycast. So mouse position and all of that. I keep on forgetting how to do this whole section. Oh, 45 seconds? Dang. Oh wow, yeah, that was long. Yeah, that was a good minute ago. I even stopped talking about it. About the phone when I put up the phone. It's a while. There's a section to change the delay, but I keep on forgetting to change it. Let me look. Am I able to change it like after the fact? After it's playing already? No, they're saying my bitrate is lower than recommended. Pretty sure my bitrate is fine. Oops. We'll see that. Stream settings. Yeah, it's at low latency. I guess I could go ultra low, but I can't change it now. I would have to stop the stream. So I don't know. I don't want to do that. Put up back the chat real quick. One sec. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this. Go back over here. I still didn't talk about my game yet. What I'm gonna make. So player. Oop. So the idea is the virus, right? I'm gonna have some people walking around, so I have to make AI for the people. It's gonna be the whole world, but like a miniature version, obviously. And I'm gonna have like the people going about their life, doing what they wanna do and stuff like that. But it's not gonna be a lot. It's just them walking to a spot, stopping, maybe going in the building. But the building, I guess they'll disappear in the building, and then change the building count maybe to a new number. Yeah. And then what you're doing is you're spreading the virus. So things that can kill you now is it's gonna be a vaccine or people wearing protective, a mask. And then the way you get to spread it is you have different types of people. You're gonna have smart people that stay away from other people. You're gonna have careful people that keep wearing their mask but they keep going to places anyways. And then you have ignorant people that don't care about wearing masks and they do what they want to do like it's a normal day. So you can choose who catches the virus, if that makes sense. So that's the idea anyways. So I need to start making it. I'm gonna have to make a people-based script and then different types of people. Alright, let me see. So let me get this camera made first. Let me see. I need another spatial actually. Just call this cam V. So always separate the camera's rotations. Cause makes things easier. Back a bit. And you're gonna be above the people anyways. It's gonna be at an angle. You're gonna be kinda smallish. I should bring it up even further, but grab part. And then make a fool. Oh, I hate doing that. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's paste this here before I forget. Let's see. Camera. Unready or. Paste the what about intersection? What am I? Collision mask. Do I have a collision mask here? Nope. Just create a collision mask. I don't even remember what that was. I know it's probably a dictionary or a array actually. Collision mask. Oops. Not an array? Dang it. Or isn't it? Oh, it's probably actually a collision mask. Collision. Wait, doesn't it have a collision mask? Hold on, let me look back over here. Which one is it? This is the game I'm actually working on, like, for actual release on Steam or something. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but where's my collision mask? Yeah, let's find it. Collision. block color. Where is it? You have that there. Am I crazy? It's only showing me 2E. Where is this collision mask? Oh! David. That's the collision mask from the player itself. Okay. I see what it is. Hold on. Alright, let's ignore that. Just get it, take it off, I guess. Let me double check this, what the collision mask actually is. Oh, it's an integer. Oh, alright. So what? There people believe that vaccine is for killing you. Oh no, I took the vaccine. I took the Johnson Johnson one. So I'm good. I took it maybe 3 weeks ago. My arm was cramped up for a little bit for like 3 days, and then that was it. I woke up one morning with it's gone, and was like, okay, cool, I'm good now. You know, I didn't feel any way about it. I'm right here for collision mask. And my mom just took. Actually, my mom just took the. I think she took the Pfizer one. And she took the last dose yesterday. Actually, so she stayed home today. She's actually here now. She's laying down because you know it messes you up for a little bit. So I don't know if I spelled that wrong or not. P. Yep. Right. Okay. What am I? Oh, interact area. I don't even know what that was. Interact area. Oh, these are just the things to avoid. Just leave that like that. Get parent. Oh. Alright, let's get rid of this. We don't need any of that right now. Save. Save as. Let's see. Why do I have a file in here? Oh man. The repository is crappy sometimes. This actually just made a folder inside the folder. Delete that. That's annoying. Just exit. I'll do that afterwards. It's not important right now. Save. Important when I'm having a lot to do. Oh, okay. And the new folder, game objects. Oops. Game object. And a new folder. There. So you're not actually a character in the game. You're just, well, I guess you are, but you're the virus, but you're spreading it. Let me create for testing purposes. Let's create a new scene. Oops. Uh-oh. I just closed the stream. Not the stream itself, the browser. Should be fine, but open it again. YouTube. Hold on. Where do I go to find this thing? My channel? No, studio, I think. Come on. Content. 5. Analytics. There. Okay, I'm back. I found it back. Let's close that one. Pop out this one. Me to do that. Go away. Here. Alright. How do I scale this the chat up? Okay, never mind. Alright. Let's make a new scene. Call it world for now. You guys know why exporting 3D games to HTML is slow or buggy all the time? Have any idea? Because I just remembered I keep doing it. I keep making 3D games to post to HIO, but then it's crappy when it's done. Like it's buggy, laggy, all types of stuff. And then let's add the player camera. And let's play the scene. Okay. Man. Save first, Shabon. Save. Need to save it there, but alright, let's play now. Select the world as the scene. Alright, let's do some camera stuff. So the thing is, I don't want you to be rotating. Yeah, I am. Yeah. 3.3 stable. Yeah, I am on 3.3. I think it's something to do with the lighting. We're using lights. It's still not fixed yet. I think they talked about it. I think I'm not sure. Light and emission materials. Well, that causes basically light. Let's see. Alright, camera. So underscore input event. So if event equals, is input event. Mouse motion. Oh, I need to do mouse zoom in as well too. Oops. L. Let me create a var mouse motion. Mouse movement. Because it's a mouse. It's a good one. Yeah, that's what I did last time with the other game. But then it works better, but it's choppy. Yeah. We need Vulcan. That's coming, right? And let's see. We'll say mouse movement equals event dot relative. And then go to found. Don't have to use physics process, but I'll use it. Say var velocity equal vector 3. Oh, you think I should use the mouse to move in general? Or I'm gonna use WASD. WASD. Up, down, left, right, and up. I need to make a tool to skip doing this to it every time. Like if I'm gonna make the same button for every single game, I might as well make a tool for it. I think I tried doing it once, but it's kind of buggy. Did I press done or close? Come on. Okay, it's good. All right. So I need this to be rotated upwards more. So I'm gonna be moving this main one. So say if input is action press up. So what I want to do is I'm just gonna move the camera around with the keyboard, and then I could maybe zoom and rotate with the mouse. Let's do a just pass for now. Try to figure out where I'm gonna do that. Input is action pressed down. Pass the copy and paste in. The left and right. On. Let's see here. Oops. Okay. So I'm gonna say velocity equal to need another thing again. Var actually, oh, I should have put velocity outside. Now let's see. Dear God, I need to throw in my keyboard. I say it every time, yeah. So this should be direction. Alright, so direction is gonna be equal to 3 dot forward. Not sure if this is gonna work it, but I think I should increment, not decrement. And this one backward. The thing is, the camera is gonna be like at a bird's eye view. So forward is technically doing like going forward, then left and right. So it's just gonna be. This is gonna be. Wait. Is there a backward in this? Oh, back. Okay. H3 left and right. Direction that normalized. Need to set a speed. Let's just say speed. Export for speed. All right. Let's say position. I mean. Alright, I need to put something in the level so I can actually see what's going on. See if I'm doing anything. I should say instance. I put up multiple games already. Multiple games. They're like short, like mobile games. Like arcade, baby, probably. Scale. Just for testing. Duplicate that. It's unique. Done again. I'm just making this to make sure this thing is working right. Where is this? Even play. Alright. Oh, I forgot something. Where is it? Mess something up. Left and right. Something is messed up here. Where's left going right? That's the left I'm pressing. Down and up, down the same. I mean, alright, let's forget it. Let's just make them be equal to. I know that's gonna be messy, but I can't have both at the same time. That's how I incremented it. Alright, let's do this the beginner way. Direction that z equal to 1. Or is it -1? I don't know. Turn that 1. And x to -1. And then 1. Fix it. There you go. Alright. What's next? So I need to implement this raycasting thing. The mouse position. I want to print. Where is it? Just get some more settings in there. Left mouse, right mouse. Might not use it, but just keep it there. Actually, I can't, right? Let's see that. Because in the web version, right mouse just brings up something else, right? Button, left mouse. Alright. If input is action just pressed. Left mouse. Save var. What do I call it? What do I call it? Call it ray result or whatever. Result equals get raycast. Print it up. I think it. Do I check? I don't. Okay, I don't think I need a check because it returns a dictionary anyways. If it's empty, it's empty. But I need to do some collision checking now. Study body. And give it a collision shape. Pop shape. Ground for no reason. And then yeah, that should do it. If it prints, nope, it doesn't. Or what's the bug? Here's a bullet physics direct spaces cannot convert a tree from bool to array. Okay, interaction. Basic origin. I think this is just. I'll get rid of that. There you go. So it prints nothing. Alright, let's get. Oh no, must go have class. Sure, no problem, man. Take care, bro. Let me double check something here. From to exclude ray, then mask, added bodies. Here's true by default, collide areas. Okay. Always have to look back at stuff. Let's call this. I mean, doesn't need it, right? What's the length? Oh, that's why. Make it 3,000. Save. Play again. There you go. Static body, collider ID, normal 1 on 1, position, blah blah blah. Shape 0. So it's just the first shape. That's what it means. All right. So now I need to create some objects. I'm gonna create a personal. So new scene. Call it people, I guess. Or person. I'm gonna have to make some scripts in there. Actually, I'm changing this to a kinematic body. Change type. Kinematic body. That's gonna be a bad thing. I just remembered too much bodies being updated. Be bad. I'll just do it this way for now. Collision shape. Collision shape. So just directly 90 degrees. Or is there gonna be tiny? With a mesh instance. As well. $90. There. All right. So what I'm gonna to this is gonna be did I make a person script or human? There you go. Human script. Extends human. So I'm gonna create a script called human. Then go over here. Where's the game object? Or let's save it first. Oh, God. People. God. Then I go here. Create a script and call it inherits a kinematic body. Human. Human. Right here we see last name. I don't remember. Last name. Yep. Human. Save that. Person should stop doing this, but go. Okay. What did I say I was gonna do now? We need to create a var type smart careful and arrogant or ignorant. Oops. Oh, what's wrong now? Affected it. That or got that. Here. Oh, sorry. Oh, I could get rid of that. The dictionary is in you. That's a. I mean, you know what I mean. All right. So for tape. Or I should make that random, so it's gonna be a random thing. Okay, what else I need? Let's see. For state equals Indian state equals healthy. Hey Ivan, how you doing? I'm making my game for my game jam for the GoGodotJam. Healthy, sick. What other state could I have? That's pretty much it, right? Only be healthy or sick. Or state. Let's see. Inium. Another one. Inium needs, I guess. Needs. Let's see. They work. Sleep. Bathroom. I might not use these. Food. Oh no, it's 8. It's for 8 days. It just started today, actually. Unless you mean your new job is gonna be like straight every day until then. I see what you mean now. Like right now it's 5:42 here, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's morning for you or something. I get what you mean actually. You get into. I started a new job too, but my job isn't giving me any hours, so oh well. Needs or current needs or something like that. Current needs. Should change this to current needs as well. Current. Oh. These are a lot of stuff to be doing. Let's see. So the type is only set once. So sleep, work. Let's go X process. Plus. Thinking how I'm gonna do this. Should take a minute to. I need to actually use actual assets. I need to stop doing all this dumb stuff I always do, creating boxes and pills. I'm gonna probably take a break from doing all of this and just go in this bad boy. Start making some characters, but it's gonna be a low poly. See. Yeah. Oh, the virus. I'm sorry, I didn't explain. So basically, I'm gonna be the virus, and I'm trying to spread or grow. It's basically growing, right? And you have different types of people that you have people that don't care about it, so they're gonna be the easy ones to give the virus to. And then you have people who are careful. Then you're gonna have the vaccine, stuff like that. Basically, the virus. You being the virus and spreading. So that's the game idea, and it's around the world, but it's gonna be a miniature size world, anyways. A bunch of people walking around. I might actually have to change. I don't need to use Okay. What I'm saying, I don't need to use a kinematic body for the people, since it's gonna be on a flat surface and people aren't jumping or anything. They're just walking around. So I should change that back to something else. So I'm gonna do it now. It's gonna slow down the game a lot. Change type to a spatial. Change this to be spatial as well. Spatial. Okay. I don't have to use physics process. I don't know why I'm using physics process. That's all positional stuff, not physics. Let's just use process. Get it over with. And on the camera as well. Let's see. Set a color. Oh, I did. What? What is happening here? There's provide collision. Oh, don't need that anymore. But what I do need is an area. Oh yeah, it's gonna be 3D. And then build collision shape. What could I use here? Circle. Feet apart. So the character is gonna avoid people if they come into this. If he can't, he's gonna be screwed. Oh, yeah. Trying to get cotton candy. That's probably cool. Depends on how it works. I don't know. I'm going for something bad. As in call it personal space. That's the area. Probably too big too. Oops. Save. Alright. Go here. What else I need? I need timers. Right. I need to create a manager too that changes based, that control timer, but I don't know. What could I use this timer for? Maybe needs timer? Needs timer. Not sure. Might change it. I don't think I need a timer for that actually. Let's leave it as timer for now. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that here. Because the needs basically change after you get what you need, right? Not when the time changes, I guess. Alright, let's create a new scene. Make it a node. Call it game manager. Then give it a script. Manager. Give it a timer. Call this, day timer. Create some constants here. Constants. That make it maybe 10 minutes for the day night cycle. Constant. Call it daytime and I don't know. And 10 times 60. Should I just do some maths on that? Let's go 600. 10 minutes. Alright. Daytime length. Const. I'm gonna make the nighttime length shorter. Oops. Night time and equals 3 minutes. So, or 2 minutes. So 120. Or no, let's go with 3 minutes. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. You're gonna be just looking at the people doing what they're doing. That's all. So they have their jobs that they go to and stuff like that. Their house, their job. It's gonna be like simple graphics, man. It's not gonna be crazy. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Really call it time, because that changes whenever this one finishes, the new one starts. So let's go here on timeout. Inium time off day. Day and night. I don't need to make an inium for that, right? For time, go start with day. Let's say time, go day. Oh, I could just use go like this. I think. How did I do this again? I don't remember. Time of day. Let's say time. Do it. Time.day. So here, if time equal time.day. Oh, I need to start it actually. So I need to get it as well. Slow down, Chevy boy. I'm ready. time. Oh god. My my keyboard is annoying. Or countdown. I'll leave it as that. Yeah, there's literally just zeros and ones. They're not actually a type. It's the same as just making an array. But the only thing the array has, the items in the array have a visual representation. Or text representation. Kinda. Cause what I do is say you have multiple things that want to use the same enum. I could just put it in a global script and use it anywhere. Cause it's just zeros and ones. It's not really anything. Alright, let's see. Okay, if time equal time dot day, so we're gonna say time. Oh, wait. Oh, timer. Is that? Oh. Time. Crap. Day timer. Just call it day timer. Okay. Day timer dot start. Set it to be the night time. So night time length. And then we set the time to be night. There's a few stuff we're gonna do here as well. Else if and if time equals time dot night, we set the day timer. Did I just call it clock? Why did I call it day timer? I'm stupid. Let's call it clock. Making it complicated for no reason. Okay, start and say day timer. Time. Oh. I mean, I don't see the reason why to make it different to use that, bro. Cause when I have the enum name here, I know what I'm using. You know what I mean? At least now I'm using it, the things from it, so I don't make mistakes. And it usually pops them up anyways. If that makes sense. Say time equals time. Oh man, my stomach is rolling and I'm probably hungry. Okay, so this is just constantly running. Not really. I need to set that to not constantly do that. Auto start. Actually, no. No auto start in here. Did I have this? Unready. Oh,
Nice.
Dang, that scared me. Thanks, New Gaming Chair, for the sub. That's a weird name, boy. Sure, I need to change that notification. Scare the hell out of me sometimes. Clock. Let's start. Oh, time day. So time. Wait, where? Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Yeah, you're right. All right, I'll change it to it. So go boom. Time day. So 0. Then time night equals. Oops. Equal 1. Sconce. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And get rid of that. Get rid of this. Get rid of this one. Get rid of this one. That's what I love it, good. I don't have to change what type the time is. It just changes it to a, int because it's using those. There, fixed. All right. Okay. What am I doing next? So that's that for there. Oh, I need to game object, game manager. Need to make this be auto load script. Where is it? Game manager. Add. Done. Oh, I needed to print something too. So print switched to night. So I want to know that it's actually working. Well, I know it's gonna work. It's a simple code, but all right. Switch to day. Save. Okay. So need to do a few things with the human script. Not really. Make some functions. Go to destination. Vector 3. I mean position. So var next target equals. Oh, it's about the virus. So you're trying to spread the virus and grow your virus. And now these are the people I'm making. So vector 3. Yeah, so oh, I need to do something with the human as well. Let's see. Should I change these though? Okay, let's do these. Const smart const type careful. Yeah, 1 0. So it's gonna be the whole world, but it's not gonna be huge. It's gonna be like a miniature size world, and you can move around. You move around with the camera. So I'm gonna work on how you're gonna do that. So figure out that part. So const ignore type ignore. I'm gonna start doing this instead of making an enum, because this makes the code less annoying too to work with. State healthy. Talking to Ivan. Telling him this was his idea. Use constants instead. State. Yeah. I think I did, but I didn't really try to change it or anything. I didn't really care much about it. I think it's in the settings somewhere, right? Let me see. Let me just check here. Where is it? Not project, editor settings. Where is it? Editor. Where do I go? I know I saw people doing it, getting rid of it. Directory saved. It's not there? Is it the debug? Editor data setting. Manage editor features. Where? It couldn't be project settings. That'd be weird. Is it just when I'm making the script? Okay. Wait, let me. Where will I need another script? Okay, let's do it here. New script. Template. Oh, this, right? No comments. Okay, I see. I got it. Alright, thanks though, cause let's create a person. Person. I always just delete it afterwards. I don't know why I always do that, but there. Person. Oh, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. What's all this red down here? GD script token sizer condition. I don't even know what it is. Clear. I already had a person script made too. Let's pause this for now. Alright, let's delete that. Delete. Then save this new one. Where did it save? Oh, it's down here. And okay, so oh no, okay. Const. Wait, that one. Okay, what should I name this as? Current needs. Oh, I just have to const. Yeah, I don't need to have that. Oh yeah, you did? Oh, and you probably create obvious stuff that you need to use, right? I'm gonna look into it, but not right now. But const, like I usually maybe have what do you call it? What do you call the physics process? Like you probably have that created already, stuff like that. One. Oops. Const. Bathroom. Thinking about it. Const. What else should I add? Leisure. Yes, with that one. Oh, this leisure. That's like going somewhere, but that's not important. And I'm gonna make it random too. So, I'm gonna look into that. But current needs sleep. All right, I'm gonna take a break from this coding and work on close all. Here's human. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break from the coding stuff. I'm thinking how I'm gonna assign. Okay, I know how to do it. Person. Export some stuff. So var mean export node path. No, theme path. It doesn't matter. Home location. Then export. Oops. Export var. I might have to change this, but location export. What's the next one? What else do I need? Bathroom, food. Really have to make that an array. This one actually. Food locations. Is it the other way around? I always get this messed up. Array. LB. Oh, I just realized what I did. I have lowercase p. Here you go. Come on. Alright. And then export array. You know what? I could just make that be one array, and then the scripts have like a tag saying that they're a food location, stuff like that. So I could get rid of this. Just use one. Let's say locations, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna do that now before I mess it up. Put a tag, a group tag on it. So let's create a new scene. Call this location. Go here. Location script. Yeah. Hey, that's so that feels bad. Thanks for showing me that, man. Get rid of the comments. Every time I make a script, I would like highlight everything, delete, delete, delete. And it's just ready to go. All right, so I need let's make some groups. So var home mean work goals. I don't know, work. Why am I doing it this way? I don't know. Call it group. Work group. Work. Oops, sorry. Work group. Oh. How do I set a list again? I know you could export it and choose what you want it to be. The for home group. This is probably redundant, right? I could have just rolled it in. I'm probably doing it for a good reason. I don't know. My brain does things. Var leisure group. Leisure group. So I want to create let's see, thinking export how do you is it Enium? I'm trying to remember how to make a list that I could just open from the inspector. You know how to do that? You remember how to do that? Like a selection? I think it's an. Oh, I remember now. I think. Hold on, let me check the docs to make sure. Godot docs. See, what did I call? What do they call it? Export. That's not the export I'm clicking on for. It's that export variables. Trying to remember how to export like a list that you can pick something from. Oh, here it is. Yep, this is what I'm looking for. Here it is. Enumerate as 1, 2, 3. Yep, this is perfect. Oh, you got it, yeah. And it's a string. Oh, I could have just used that as the thingy. Alright, let's copy these over so I don't forget. I don't need to. That's better actually. Hold on, let me go back here. So, say string. These up here, the group string. No, I could set it to home. Work, and then leisure. Dude, Godot is sick, man. You have no idea. Are you hearing that sound? My belly is killing me. Let's see, group. Then right here, add the group. Oops. Add to group. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let's get rid of that. Should I set a default as well? Maybe let's set a home. What was I doing next? I forgot what I was gonna write next. Oh. Location. No, folder. Location. Yeah, move that script to it too. I forgot what I was writing next and why I needed to do that. Dang it, my brain. Oh, it was a type. Actually, I remember now. So export what type of location it is. So I want to make that an int. Int. So it's kind of redundant, right? If I'm exporting the location, might as well. I'm thinking. If I'm exporting the location, I don't need to set that actually. Alright, let's say home. Work. Yeah, it's kind of redundant. I could just use a check and then add it to the group based on that. Then what if I want different types of... Oh no. Here's where it's weird. So let's say this is a beach. So that's a leisure location. You know what I mean? Good thing I did. I know my brain is doing random stuff, thinking ahead. So what else to do? Maybe club. I don't know. That's where the virus would spread to, right? What else? Pool. What they call the area that you play pool at? Isn't that technically a club? Right? Alright, let's leave it at those. So homework club. Var location type equal to something default. Can I set a default? Yeah, sort of. But the characters just do what they want and you give them the virus and they spread it. That's the idea behind the game. It is basically a sim. Oh my god, my stomach. I think I drank too much milk yesterday. Did you hear that? Oh, wait, so if this returns an inium, do I have to create an inium? Alright, let's save. I wanna try something. Let's print. Is there a group thing? Okay, it is. Plus str. I don't know if that's gonna be a string, so I'm just doing that. I know the group's a string. Save it. Give it a box. Mesh instance. I'm gonna start working on graphics now. But this is annoying to use shapes every time. I actually see the game getting together. Okay, save. Let's go to world. Get rid of this box that's here. Wait. Add location. Alright, no, it's it. Group is already. Oh, they're already set to a default location. So that's what I'm talking about. Group is home. Then set it to beach, maybe. Set it to club. Nice. Alright, let's run that and see if it prints it out. Nope. Oh, oops, made a mistake. Start with the date time. What did I break again? Clock time. What? Is it saying it's null? There's a timer right on you. Stop it. Stop it. You need help. Alright. Game manager time. Okay. Oop. Start on base null instance. Why is it returning null? Did I make this a 2D instead? You have any idea about that? Oh, okay. I never usually use those normally. I remember I was looking into the percentage sign one time, but to like you only get the remainder between two numbers or something like that. Then use the percent sign. S int I mastering my int. I'll look into it, but I don't know. Dude, my stomach is rolling. I'll probably have to stop the stream and go explode in the bathroom. Dude, I'm good though, man. Why is this returning null? It's annoying me. Alright, let's not. Just forget that for now. We'll figure that out later. Alright, home and 3. God dang it, it prints out the number. I mean, at least I know it's working. Yeah. Club is 3, so that's working. And again, should print 2. Sweet. Alright. Okay, so let's make some characters now. Over here, big boys, big boys. So I'm gonna make everybody like low, super low poly. I'm thinking to just use shape keys for walk animation. So I don't want to use bones or anything like that. Cause you're gonna be pretty far away from the, from the people. So you're just gonna see little dudes walking around. And those are all save D, Widow projects, spread. Create a new folder, call it import. Where's the button? I mean source, sourcey. Call is human. I'm thinking to create like maybe ships too and stuff like that. So they go places. Maybe spread the virus overseas, stuff like that. Alright, we're gonna use this thing here to create it. So let's go to edit mode, scale them down, split them in the middle, grab this edge, go to that mode, delete vertices. Go here, add a mirror modifier, and enable clipping. Split this here 2 times. There. Select everything. Scale on Y. And I'm gonna export this side. Extrude. Grab the top half. Grab an X. Export right here. And grab this on X too. Bring it out some more. That. Extrude. Scale them down. Grab my X. It's gonna be super low poly. Bring it forward a bit. Y. Grab on Y. Yeah, let's back up a little bit. Do there. A little bit. Do it again. Skip on a little bit. Oh my gosh, my stomach. Oh no, I'm not gonna try to go too detailed with it. That'd be crazy. That's gonna take forever to finish. I'm making it super simple. So anybody that has the virus, they're gonna be a different color or something like that. So between red and green. Grab this B. X. Wait, how? Oh yeah, or and does extend password. Nice. I don't know why I thought that was some. Grab and see. Grab and see. Oh, my stomach is killing me. Why? What did I do to deserve this? My stomach is killing me, man. Grab and see. On Z? Hey, baby. That's a human right there. Oh my gosh. Are you hearing that? I don't think you are, but. Okay, I think I have to bring this down a little bit. Yeah. Then straighten this side out. Alright, now we can extrude. here. A little bit. Sure, human. Get his legs up. Scale on X. I forgot about his head. Forgot about the head. Scale on X. Extrude. Scale, Shift Z. Will be yeah, I got water, that's about it. I'm doing a fast too, so that's why. Man, my stomach is rolling. There you have it. Our human is done. Oh, come on. I'm gonna get this thing to press. Is that head looking too weird? So think about it. You're gonna be like looking at them from like about that distance. So you can't really zoom in too much. So that should be fine. That's how far you're gonna be away from them. That's the idea anyway. That right, like how it is now. So let's move the camera out. Yeah, so you'd be like looking, well, not that close. Yeah, more like this distance. So you're gonna see them walking left and right, up and down. What? What about making the people robots? I don't want to do that. I got 8 days to make this, man. It's gonna take a while if I add too much stuff to it. Cause I need to make the I need to make buildings and stuff like that too, and probably vehicles, maybe a boat. I should do all of that right now. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna save this as just assets, cause I'm gonna use the one. Okay, what is this? Am I crazy? Where's all the stuff that I'm supposed to be editing with? What happened to my screen? What's going on? Whoops. That happened. I don't know what happened to my screen. Where's the controls? Where's everything? I pressed something and messed something up. Oh, I need to stop doing that. You're trying to make me do something that I can't finish, man. That's too much. Cyberpunk, I'm gonna need to do a lot to do that. I'm gonna actually finish the gem. Oh, there's a button up there. No, F11, F12 is to render. The F11 is to render image, F12 is to render animation, I think. I've tried pressing those too, but that didn't fix it. It was a button up the corner, top right. Alright, so we got this dude here. Let's name him. I didn't name him yet. So let's call it human. I'm gonna change the save file name. Call it game assets or something. Save as. I'm gonna use probably one texture for everything. game assets blend. Save as. Can delete this one now. Alright. Yeah, I know. But in this thing, it's just crazy. I don't even know how I did that just now. I think it's when I tried opening the camera or moving the camera to where I'm looking. You use Control Alt and 0 for that. Alright. Need some buildings. Let's set is select everything. Grab on Z. I want his I was thinking to have his root be actually no. Let's move it back. I wanted his center to be at the bottom. So I could kill him, he just falls over like this. You know what I mean? If I rotate him, so I don't have to do some complicated math for that. Save. Oh, there's his root down there. I should animate him now too. So let's do that. Go to here. Shape keys. Let's call it idle. And let's call this one step. Oh, step 1. That's him walk. This first step, then on the right step, something like that. It's on edit mode. Grab. Oh, I need to hold on. I need to delete those. Apply the mirror. Commit. Oh god. I know I wouldn't be able to do that. Delete those. I have to apply the mirror before creating a shape key. Oh no, I could create a shape key. Let's see, idle. Call this 1. No, step 1 we wireframe. Select all this. Go to side view. Forward like that. There you go, step 1. And this, like here. Side view. That. Shape keys doesn't support rotation. Just position of the stack. So if I rotate it, it will still look weird after actually. I do like, wait, let me try it. Let's try it just in case. If it works, it works, right? It's technically just positions, right? But I forget what rotation was. There. Save. There should be 1 right now. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. It does do it. Thinking I could simplify it so I don't have to. Yeah, I know, but I don't want to use bones. I don't know why I don't want to. Could just make it be a full step actually. But then it'd be weird, so let's create step 2. So I'm gonna just alternate between them. Left, right. Oh, I need to bring actually let me work on the other one first. I need to bring the legs back. The you know, these legs. But here. See if a rotation works. Oh, that looks good. And grab here. Take that. Alright. Grab these zones here. That. Alright, that should do the trick. It looks. Let's go to solid view. And there you go. I'm thinking should I just make the base one be the same? Because at the halfway point is basically the same as that standing still, right? Oh yeah, they do. They do. I did it before. I did it before as an experiment. There's actually a section. I could export it now and show you. Let's do it now and show you, just so make you understand. Did I create step 2 first? Let me create step 2 first. So step 2 is this one was going back, right? So backwards now. Rotate and legs go out. And then next side. These legs will go back. This hand goes forward. Alright. Okay, let's see how it looks. So forward. That looks weird. But this one goes back. So I want to alternate between those. I could do it, but alright, let's export it and show you. So save. Wait, let me make sure the normals are good. I'm pretty sure they're fine, but where is it? This. Okay, everything seems fine. Save again. Export GLTF. GLTF is what I use, so it works good with GLTF. Always create a folder for it too, so imports. Let's call it human. Okay. Importing. Close these up. Alright. There it looks. So we have to click on the mesh and then you should see them over here. Blend shapes. Here's step 1. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. That just solved my problem. I didn't realize there's a negative volume. Oh no, it doesn't. Look at the leg, man. That doesn't do it. So I guess I still have to use this one. Good thing I made it. Set this back to 0. And set it to 1. There you go. I'm gonna do something like this. And do something like that. And something like that. And do something like that. I can control how fast it works, so there you go. Man, that was funny. That alien leg movement. What do you call that? Alien legs? And the legs bend back like that? Or just animal legs? So I won't use negative values, so. Alright. I didn't need the lights. I know what to get rid of. Alright. Next. So that's the human pretty much. I could add another thing, like maybe dying. Oh, no problem, man. So just get a reference to the mesh and then you play with it that way. Yep, let me see if I remember how to do this though. I haven't done it in a while, but I did it before. So let's do a test. Oops. Let's test. I think I get the go here. You have to get property, I think. So unready for say mesh equals, what did I call it? Human? Oh. Then let's see. Could tag that mesh instance. You know about this, right? If you do this here, you get all the references for it. So mesh dot, you get everything that's in the mesh class. Let's see. I'm trying to remember how I get this. Blend shape. Blend shape. Blend shape step 1. I think I have to get property. I don't remember. Get property. I'm trying to remember how to do it. Oh yeah, I think it's just get. And you write the string. It has to be blend shape. And shapes slash step 1. And you said the value, I think. Oh, I think I should use set, not get. Oh well. What did I call this? Here's underscore. Oh, underscore 1. It should be set, not get. And then the value, maybe set it to 1. So the way I'm gonna try this out is just make it run in the script. So just say 2. Let's just put this in process. Save. Oh, I don't need to save that. Save this. Put it. And doesn't want to work. Come on. Oh, I have to save it. Ah, fine. Save it somewhere. Save it at the root so I don't. Set blend shape step 1. Okay, I messed up something. Not sure. Is it blend shape? Blend underscore shape step 1. So it is doing it, but I don't know. Oh, underscore. There you go. Think. Yep. Should do that, but for some reason it's not doing it. But you get the idea, right? Say 1.0. It is setting it, but it's just actually not. Alright, let's make it clear inheritance. Save. Save. Come on. Oh, it's not working here. Open a mesh. Mesh. Oh, I have to get the mesh. Dang it. Let's see. Trying to remember how I did it. Manuscript. Let me do a quick Google again. Blend shapes. Why is it showing me stuff I don't want to see, man? Trying to figure out how I did it the last time. I'm pretty sure it's working, but I'm just trying to do it without launching the game. Alright, let's try just doing it. Set this back to 0. Go here, turn off this thing. Cool. Save in the world. Should just set it as soon as human. Straight up. There, it did. It worked. It said it as soon as yeah, it was right. There, it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something like do a check. Say front walk. And just copy this over. My God. Blend shape is copied up again. I'm gonna lerp this actually. I'm not gonna just make it be. Let's see. Or let's see, walking lerp or something like that. Can lerp equals 0. Oh, okay. I'm actually working on a plugin right now. Something similar to Zillon's scatter plugin. I was showing it earlier in the stream. You could look back at it if I don't want to open it up again. So step 2. I'm gonna change up this. So walk and lerp. Copy that, put it here. Putting it for both of them. So I'm gonna do something like say var left step or something like that. Step equals true. Say if left step equals no, just say if left step. Then we say else. Do something like that. And then we lerp. So say walking lerp equals lerp from 0 to 1 over maybe create a lerp speed or something like that. Export for lerp speed equals 0.05. Let's say lerp speed here. Oops, I mean 1, not 2. Then we do a check to see if, let's say mesh say get now. The bar this is V. Let's say if V greater than or equal to 0.9, we change the walk-in left step equal false, and then we say walk-in lerp. I need it to go back down, right? I don't want to set the left step to false yet. I'm gonna just set the walk-in lerp to be going back to 0. So 1 to 0, or whatever the value is actually. Yeah, whatever the value is. So walk-in lerp 0. Lerp speed. Come on. Oh. What's that? Oh, I could actually. I'm stupid, bro. I could do that. Oh man, I didn't thought of that, man. All this code for nothing. I decided to start using animations for a lot of stuff, but I wasn't even thinking about it just now. Yeesh, Louise. Oh, alright, let's just do it. I cannot believe I didn't think about that. Alright, where are you? Item. Okay. So first, those are gonna be at 0. And this one, move it up to there, add them there, and add them at 0 again. Maybe too close. Alright, man, take care. Thanks for reminding me I'm an animation player. I don't know why I didn't think of it. Man, feel derpy right now. Not thinking about it. Right, this one's 0. Right here, set 2 to be 1. That to be 0. There you go. Jeez. So simple. Alright, man, thanks. Take care. I might jump off soon, too. So, I might do all of this over again, anyways. So, I might change up some stuff here. Yeah, I don't need all of this anymore, right? So just say unready, maybe unready. Oops, not unready. Trunk ready. Just say animation player that play walking. Let's set this to be open. I know I didn't fix it up yet, but I want it to already be set to something like that. I'm gonna delete these two. Or not. Copy these over. These over here. Good. Look at that. I know it's kind of crappy, but Something's flipped. Hold on, let me see what it is. Let's try 1, 2. Oh, it's right here. Something's messed up here. Let me delete this. Step 1, step 0, step 2. Need to go back to 0. Oh, that's the end of it actually. Here to God, snapping his. There you go. Beautiful. You see? So I just avoided using a whole bunch of bones. Alright, I'll probably jump off now. But I'm gonna stream otherwise, but I'm gonna work on it off stream as well too. Alright. Alright guys. Take care. What time is it? 7. Been on for 2 hours. Alright, take care. Bye.